All right, it's about 3 o'clock. We got about an hour left in the market, but I'm going to take a quick look right now. Um, we just kind of hopped into. Let's bring this down here. We hopped into the opening range today, and we just stayed in there. We made our low um, in the first half hour. We opened at our high, made our low in the first half hour, then consolidated, traded back and forth. I hopped in and took this trade right here on this break, and then wrote it right up. I believe I did that on the 30-minute, but it was okay. It was a good trade. Not a bad day. But that's it. Just a consolidating market. And that's what it looks like we're going to have. I don't really expect anything too aggressive. Um, as far as news tomorrow, um, I think we've got some. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday, so we have new job, new unemployment claims, and that's what we're going to watch. But same old, same old. Little inflation fear. Something's got to be done about inflation. Really, no major catalysts, and we shall see. And we shall see. Let's look at what the daily is stacking up. Again, we still have an hour. This whole thing could fall apart in an hour, but I was just checking out the monthly. But if we look at the daily, looks like we got a little double top here, and the momentum seems like it's fading off. Looks like we're getting a reversion right here in the histogram. So in order for that to trigger, today it's got to break yesterday's low, which is 79, which I don't think that's going to happen in the next half hour or hour. And then tomorrow to trigger it, it's got to break the low of 684, which that might do it and bring it down a little bit. But I don't think it's going to be anything too aggressive. Maybe eat into this trade, this move up a little. Might tag the 590s over the next few days, but that's about it. So I'm going to have a bearish bias for tomorrow based on what I'm looking at right now. But I really feel like the market's just going to enter a consolidation and trade around there. I mean, my low target could be the 589, 590, but no reason why it can't hit that 629 and just bounce back and start consolidating within here for a few days. The weekly flag is still intact, triggered. So here's the move up. It had to trigger the high of last week, and it triggered and then traded back a little bit in this doji. And we have the rest of the week. And this flag does not fail unless it trades below the 630 mark. So we could even come down, test it, and then take off into the end of the week. So we're in the flag right now, and we still have 2 days of movement, and this baby could still continue to push up. But it feels as though the momentum's fading off, and we might make a little, take a little pullback and get a little consolidation. I mean, this is a really flat day, down 9, 8. I mean, we'll see where it closes, but I don't think it's going to get any worse than this. So that being said, interest rates didn't move around too much. The VIX is not moving around too much. Just volatility out of the market. But that's cool. I like it. I don't need the stress. All right, so everybody have a nice evening. Stay calm and cool. Get in a little meditation. Be at peace when you trade. And good luck trading.